Got me on my knees. What we're doing here is fixing the floor, which had a leak, and we're gonna fix it so they can put in the flooring whenever they get ready. So what I'm gonna do first is cut the carpet, get it out of the way, a couple of linoleum, see what kind of damage we have, and then we'll go from there. I need to get over here on this side. The mark is where it's in the center of the stud.
Kiss. Talk.
I haven't measured. I gotta get this unstapled here.
I figured
Hammer right there.
the difference is you're a lot more slim and trim than I am.
Well, we all fight gravity as long as we can.
Oh yeah, I used to be 6'5" plus. I'm not under 6'4" yet, but I'm knocking on the door.
Spreading, yeah. Instead of, I gotta have like a blade screwdriver to pull those out, Clay.
Alright, I can get one.